Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Decide one main message and the top 3 takeaways for the audience. Define the purpose clearly so every slide supports that message. Know the audience size and expectations before you design content and visuals. Plan a clear opening that states the problem and promises value within the first minute. Limit the total slide count so pacing remains consistent. Aim for 10 slides or fewer. Prioritize clarity over cleverness to keep the message memorable and actionable for listeners. Use 30-point font or larger for headings and legible body text. Choose high-contrast colors and clean fonts to enhance readability in any room. Limit text to 1 idea per slide and write concise sentences that complement your speech. Use simple visuals, icons, or a single data chart to illustrate key points without clutter. Keep slide backgrounds uncluttered and align elements consistently for a professional look. Test legibility on a smaller screen and from the back of a room before finalizing slides. Practice aloud and time the talk to match your target duration each run. Rehearse transitions between slides until wording sounds natural and not memorized. Open with a 15 to 30-second hook that establishes relevance and creates curiosity. Use pauses for emphasis and vary vocal tone to maintain attention throughout the presentation. Manage questions by designating a final cue and a slide, and note when interruptions are allowed. End with a clear call to action and a single slide that lists contact details for follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.